Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the way we live and work, offering new possibilities for convenience, efficiency, and innovation. However, understanding what to consider before embracing AI tools in daily life is critical to ensuring safe and responsible use. One of the first things to address is privacy. AI systems often require access to personal information to function effectively, such as location, search history, or voice data. It's important to review privacy policies, understand what data is being collected, and ensure your information is handled securely. Taking control of privacy settings and only sharing necessary information helps protect your data and personal boundaries.
Ethical use is also a major consideration. AI can impact decision-making, automate tasks, and influence content recommendations. Be aware of potential biases in AI algorithms and ensure any AI tools used align with your values. Verify sources of information provided by AI and avoid relying solely on automated outputs for critical decisions. Responsible use of AI helps foster fairness and trust.
Reliability and transparency are key when using AI in daily life. Not all AI systems guarantee accuracy, and unexpected errors can occur. Choose AI tools from reputable providers and look for transparency in how decisions are made or outputs are generated. Regularly update AI applications to benefit from security improvements and bug fixes, and never hesitate to ask for clarification or support when needed.
Integrating AI into daily life offers many advantages, but being mindful of privacy, ethical use, and reliability is essential. By considering these factors, you can harness the power of AI safely and responsibly, ensuring it enhances your routines without compromising your values or security.